Welcome to Make It Easy. Mutton Shami kabab is a super delicious starter dish, high in protein content and easy to prepare. It is a beautiful combination of spices and delectable texture, crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, giving it an exciting texture to enjoy. To make this delicious snack at your home, check out this recipe. Take mutton and thoroughly wash it. Now take some water in a vessel and boil it. And when it comes to a boil, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 to 2 black cardamom or badi ilaichi, 5 to 6 choti ilaichi or green cardamom, 3 to 4 long or cloves, and 1 teaspoon of saunf powder or fennel seed powder. Add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. Now add the mutton into the seasoned water. And cook the mutton, keeping it covered until it becomes a little tender. Now add salt to this mutton. Here I have taken split Bengal gram, which I have washed and soaked for half an hour, and now I'm adding this washed dal into the mutton. Now pressure cook it until it becomes tender. Here after pressure cooking you can see the meat is now much tender and it's coming off the bones very easily. Now separate the meat from the bones, and this is how it looks. I've separated the meat from the bones, and you can mash it using a masher. Now I'll cook it on high flame until the water evaporates and it becomes a little bit dry. Now the water has evaporated and I will take out this mixture. Now allow this mixture to cool. You can refrigerate it for at least 1 hour before working with it. So after it has cooled down, I will again take it out, and here I'm adding chopped coriander to this, chopped mint leaves, chopped green chilies, 1 egg, now mix it well. Here I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour, This is totally optional. You can skip this step. Refrigerate it again till the mixture sets so that it becomes workable. Now in a separate pan, here I have taken ghee. I have melted 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. And now after half an hour, I have taken the mixture from the fridge. I'll mix it a little bit. And now take a portion from this and make out a kebab. So I've made a ball and then flattened it. My kebabs are ready to be fried. I have used desi ghee here, but you can use oil as well. We will shallow fry the kebabs so that they don't break. Keep the flame low so that the kebabs are evenly cooked. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, flip the kebabs. The kebabs are nicely cooked and they have got a nice golden brown color. Once they are done on the other side too, you can take out the kebabs. You can see how good it is looking. These mutton kebabs can be served with any accompaniment of your choice. If you like the content of this video, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. And do not forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir again for more exciting recipes.